My name is Liam. I'm from Cairns, Australia.
My name is Teya, and I'm also from Cairns, Australia.
Coming on this trip's like really opened my mind and expanded my vegan cooking, I guess.
Every single detail that's gone into this trip to make it memorable for every single person here was good.
I think having them plan trip, they gave us free time to do our own thing, but at the same time they had planned events for us as well, so we didn't spend our whole time like just sitting in the room. And on our free times, a lot of us would all get together and like go to a cooking class or walk down the street. So it was good to experience these things with other people, not just by yourself.
It was so easy. You're like a little family, like after the 10 days after this trip. So like we'd share like where good vegan places are, like we go out for dinners and like lunches and stuff like that. And like the Getaway crew like obviously made sure that it was all vegan to make it easier for us.